Hey guys, it's me Lucas, and today I will be unboxing an Apple Watch Series 3. So I just bought this off of Amazon and it came today. And so let's open this right up. Alright everybody, so this is the information about the Apple Watch that I got. So now let's pull this out. Designed by Apple. So obviously in here, we just have this information about how to get started with it. And then we have our band and our charger. Now, time to look at the actual watch. Here is our Apple Watch. Has a nice outer layer, so let's take off this wrapping. I'm really liking this band that I chose to get with it. So let me go put this on the charger, and when it's fully charged, I'll come right back. Alright guys, so now, as you can see, it's time to bring a phone near my Apple Watch. So, we have this. Continue. Now, we're going to lay this down. Alright guys, so now it's now pairing. So it's all loading up now. So yeah. Okay, so pretty much I set it up so this right now is backing up all my stuff from my old watch onto this watch. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I just have to go through. Let me create a passcode. Alright, so now we have passcode. Alright. So now pretty much it just wants me to set up my different types of Apple Pay and all that. Alright, it's adding all my cards onto here. There's the back of it. Alright, so now it's telling me all these instructions, and now they're syncing. I don't need to know any of the basics, so I'll be right back whenever this is all done syncing. Alright guys, so just press the digital crown. You ready? So now, there's all my information already from my old watch. Now I can go through, put in all these settings. So comment down below if you would like me to do a review on this product. And until then, see you guys next time on Life with Lucas.